Hello children, today we are going to start the chapter pulley. When we will start pulley, first of all we will have to know what is machine. Already you knew about the machine. Pulley is a type of simple machine. So you see here the simple pulley, how it is constructed. It is actually a metallic disc with a grooved rim. You can see this is the grooved rim. A string or rope is passed around the groove at the rim. The disc rotates. This disc, it can be rotated about an axle passing through the center. The axle is fixed rigidly to a frame by means of the nail. So this is the nail. This is, you can see, axle. This is frame, disc. This is grooved rim. Now here you can see here how it is constructed. Now see, a single pulley can be divided by the two types, can be used by the two way, this simple pulley. First of all, as a fixed pulley, one more as the movable pulley. What is the work of the fixed pulley? By keeping its axis of rotation stationary or keeping its frame fixed in position. This frame fixed in one position, and the movable pulley by changing its axis of rotation or keeping its whole frame is movable. Whole frame is movable. So two way we can use the single pulley. One is the like a fixed pulley, another is the movable pulley. And who will fix? Keeping the axis of rotation be stationary or the frame. Frame be fixed or frame be rotate. Now we will see what is single fixed pulley. See, a pulley which has its axis of rotation stationary in position is called fixed pulley. So now this is the figure of the fixed pulley. You can see this is the rigid support. By hook it is suspended here frame. This is the axle and this is disc or grooved rim. In this grooved rim, string is there. This is the load. Load is suspended by one end of the string, and here by this portion effort is giving. Now you can see here this figure. In this figure, this is the single fixed pulley in which axle is fixed where to a rigid support, and one strong string of the negligible mass. We will have to see here, this is totally negligible mass, and passing through the grooved rim of the pulley, and one end of the string is connected with the load and the other end of the string is connecting with the effort which is applied at the free ends. You can see actually every time we will have to remember that load is acting in the downward direction. You can see here load is applied in the downward direction, as well as you can see this effort is acting. This is already in the downward direction. This effort may be pulling the string in the downward by the help of the effort. That's why only the pulley rotates and the load moves up. Understood? This effort is in the direction of the downward direction. That's why only this load can be moves up. So you can see here, we will have to see here It is the force due to the friction between the string and the surface of the rim of the pulley which rotates the pulley when the string pulled down. You can see here, I said in the class, if string is there, so one force is acting all the time. This force name is the tension force. So you see, the tension force throughout the string T is same, which is acting upward direction. For what? For this load. Whenever load is there, with the load, this point of view away from the load. Understood? Point of the person away from the point.